And welcome back to the channel, my people. Hope you saw yesterday's video. We did crack some cases at the old Dollar Tree, so get out there and check your Dollar Trees. What else? Oh, Targets are dead, man. Targets are not getting cars right now, so not a big deal. I'm just leaving the post office. I got a bunch of your orders out, dude. You guys have been killing it on the orders. I think I just sent out 8 packages just from like 2 days of orders. That's pretty awesome, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys that are helping support this channel. Really, I could not do this without you. All right, my people. I had some stuff to do down south today, so I'm gonna hit some stores much farther south than where I normally go. So I just want to see what's going on, you know. Are we missing stuff? Maybe we should be hunting other stores, you know what I'm saying? See what kind of cars they getting in. Oof. F case at the Targets down south. Oh, you guys are hurting down here. Now I see why I'm getting stalked. Now I see why I'm getting stalked. Yeah, oh gosh. Ugh. Looks like none of you South boys want those haulers. Big time muscle that we have not seen. Okay. HKS. Power and sports on the Camaro. Dang, that thing is cool, man. Love the body kit. Hold on. Can you see it any better? I know there's so many reflections. There we go. Is that better? A little bit better. Anyway, oh, it's not too awful. Does it have the same? Oh, wide body. This is like a new, wide body. Yeah. So big time muscle and wide body. Wow, I would love to see what else they have. Look at the fender flares on there. Man, that is cool. So cool. I wonder what they cost. Probably that $17.29 tag. Probably. Wow, this is so crazy, dude. F case. Oof. We're up to H. We're even J in some places, right? Like, wow, that's crazy. I don't even want to look in here. I mean, I kind of do, but like, what are we gonna see, right? Bunch of junk. Yeah, see the stacks. Somebody's been here and they left their hair. Gross. Next up is Walmart. There is a Walmart not too far from here, according to the old maps. All right, my people. I did check this Wally. They got some boulevards in, so that makes me, you know, I feel good about that. We might see some more coming into the stores closer to where I normally hunt. But I'll do some cleaning out here. I'll take all these Lykans. Yeah, I'm going to take them all. Yep. I would say that the Lykan is my second favorite after the Datsun, so I'm down for some more. There's a Target not too far from here. Oh, excuse me, Target, not too far from here either. Ooh, this is fun, doing a little traveling. Oh, man, no way, dude. Is it just all FKs down here? Yeah, I'm gonna say it is. Wow, hurting down in these streets. Yep, bunch of junk. Not be many card like collectors down here, right? Look at this thing. Tox Go 2022 includes exclusive green parallel card pack. I don't know what that means, but it does look cool. Wow, Don Russ still makes cards. Oh, Panini owns Don Russ now. Man, I have stacks of these from the 90s. Literally like 90, 91. Tons of Don Russ cards. I wonder if any of them are worth anything. Ooh, this is sad. Oh gosh, it's just all FKs here. Oh, that's so terrible. Ooh, somebody left. Oh, I see why. They're trashed. Any trucks? Chevy Nova, GNX. So it looks like this probably went out pretty recent. Because from what I'm hearing, people down here, they buy stuff quick. So nice little Regal GNX there. Oh, I did see this yellow C8. It would have been so cool if it was red, but it's not. Anyway, yeah, that GNX is trash. Is there anything I really want out of here? I'm gonna say, let's just check the GNX. I don't know, it's not terrible. You know, but how many GNX does the Florida man need? You know what I'm saying? I don't like how the cards are all scratched up, like right along here. You know, they made it all form-fitting, which, yes, that I love. But if the front of it's all scratched up and you can't really see the car, that kind of stinks. Oh, so there's 3. So there was a couple cases here. This is leftovers. Yeah. That's leftovers because there was 3 G and X. Dang, even down here, they don't want the 2 cars. Same extra stuff. Camaro, the Dodge Stealth, lots of the tins. There's that Mustang. Oh, you know, one thing I like about that Mustang is the game piece, man. So yeah, you get a cool DieCast, right? But you also get that exclusive game piece. So if I ever play Monopoly again, I could be the 1975 what? Ford Mustang Cobra Racer. Dude, I didn't know it was that old. And it is the go to jail card, right? Like, that's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. It's where stalkers belong, in jail, just saying. But yeah, let's see what, oh, Mia's Integra, Big Time Muscle, the Bel Air, I think we've seen that. Hyperspec, don't really care. All right, this has been fun, dude. Maybe I'm gonna start making series where I go to different towns or cities and hunt and, you know, make like a nice little video series. The Florida Man travels, the Florida Man hunting on the road. Wow, dude, this store is on DK's. Oh, this is rough, dudes. Oh, it must have just went out. Nobody would have left that, right? The old twin mill. Yeah, obviously, unless there was 2 or, ooh, check it out, the coupe clip. It's awesome. Forgot about those. Forgot all about those. Oh, I thought that was the red edition F100, but it's just a red F100. I guess the red one is black. That makes sense. Oh, there's another keychain. Oh, I love the keychains. I love them. And I've been giving them out in the orders, you know, so like signing them and stashing them in orders. Oh, the Barbie van. Really? Oh, yeah. Huh, it's been a while. Oh, holy cow. You know what stinks, though? I'm just making sure there's not a second Studi. I mean, I don't remember seeing many. Oh, yeah, plus those exclusive cars from Dollar General were coming in the same case. I'm just going to do my trick. Chillas, Land Cruiser, Bugatti. I don't think I got any of those yellow Bugattis on. Oh, Dodge van. Oh, that would have been so cool. That would have been so cool. Dang, man. Yeah, man, look, they got the Mountain Drifters down here. Unbelievable. I wonder if anything good was in there. Nothing is left. The 3000 GT, which I said I would get from a friend. So I'm going to get this for her. I think hers was red. I'm pretty sure she had one. I think it was red. But it's all good. It's all good. She said Hot Wheels, so that's a Hot Wheel. Do we take the Celica for the wheels? Oh, it's tempting. It's tempting. Like, how would they look on something? Let's just do like a little, okay. Yeah, okay. Yep, I'm seeing it. Yep, those would be cool. Even on like the bus. Yeah, dude, those are cool, man. I don't know. Do we want to pay $5 for wheels? Well, $6 here. Yeah, $5.99. Do I want to pay $5.99? This is kind of fun. I haven't used my maps to hunt in a long time. I usually know right where I'm going, but now with all these new options at my disposal, I'm just finding stores everywhere. Nothing but tracks in this store. Holy cow. What is this? Hot Wheels ramp. I don't remember seeing this at the store up where I'm at. So you could jump and then it goes back on the track? Dude, that is tempting. Oh, I see. The ramp goes between the pieces and then you could jump and possibly land back on the dude. Oh man, that looks so fun. Let me see what the line's like. I'll grab it. I'll grab a ramp. Oh, they have this, I don't know what the name of this set is. They usually have names. Oh, there is a Porsche. Wow. So, there's a couple. Did anyone take a Porsche? I can't get it out of there. I can't get it out of there. Oh, this hook is blocking the Florida man. 1, 2. There's 2. Is there a third? Yeah, there is a third, but I don't see a 4th. So, you know, it either got moved, knocked down, right? Like there's one just chilling on the ground. This is the store where when I had the RLC, I was in such a hurry to get moving, man. Get moving. This Ford GT. I don't love it either. It's something about the wheels. I don't know. Somebody lined up all the CAFAs. Look at that paint, dude. Oh, there's even more up there. Wow. The paint is so nice. Like, did they confuse the Super and the Main? I've seen that before, where the Main has better paint than the Soup. It's not often, but it happened. Oh my gosh, look, it's so full. They're just flying out of here. Look at that Knight Rider in there. Wow, another Knight Rider right there. Ooh, it's not even that bad. Let's get you up on the pegs. Get you up on those pigs. So yeah, I stopped by a store that's a little closer to home. Again, this is the store where when I got the RLC GTRs, I was here first, and I was in such a hurry to get the Audis and get moving, you know what I'm saying? You know what's weird? A bunch more M2 stuff came in here. See, here is this whole thing, and then they didn't even put them out. That's weird. Somebody like was picking through there. I don't know if there's a chase to those. And honestly, none of the models are that great anyway. I mean, maybe that one. It is only 5,000. Oh yeah, these are the 5,000 piece ones. All right. They're not awful. Just because of the low numbers. Ooh, Lykan Hypersport, just chilling. We already got some though today. I'm not gonna get it. I'm just gonna leave it. I can't believe none of these sold, dude. Like, look at all those. But yeah, how crazy that those stores down south were, well, south of me, because I'm already south, but south of me were so bad. F case, D case. Oh, I see the problem. But anyway, the Porsches are cool. The cards are not that great. I'm just gonna hang them right in the front. In fact, I'll probably be returning a few. I made the mistake of listening to somebody, and don't do that. If someone's like, oh, everyone's buying that, or that's kind of like a chase, well, that's not always true. Maybe that's their opinion, or that's the opinion, we will put a McLaren over that one right there. Maybe that's the opinion of somebody that thinks that is true, but it's maybe not the popular vote, if that makes any sense, my people. So yeah, it was a fun little trip. I am considering. Oh, here's more of those M2s that came out of that little box thing, right here, hanging up. So 2 Econolines, which probably is the chase. I don't know for sure, or if there even is one. Who knows, right? Who knows, right? I'm just looking through the rest here. The ground pounders. Yeah, the ground pounders truck is. It's cool. It's cool. Here's the Main, right? I showed you this chase that I have. That is the Main. Anything else pretty? Nope. Looks like nothing else really. Lots of. Ooh, she got hurt. Wow. Hurt. Just throw that right in the garbage. There is lots of those truck sets. Oh, there's only one hauler. Okay. Yeah, it was still fun to take a little tour, take a little look around, see what's going on in other parts of the state. Since I'm always checking, I pretty much stay within my area, But today I just happened to have to go into another area, so I said, you know what, let's look at some stuff. But now I'm gonna maybe make a day out of it. Maybe like one day out of the week we'll run out and check other areas and see what's going on, take the temperature of some other stores. All right, my people, that is gonna do it for today's video. I appreciate you being here with me, checking out these other stores, checking out some other stuff. And we did get some cool stuff. We got some Lykans. I got the Mitsubishi for my friend. We got the Celicas for some wheel swaps. I really got to pick a good car for those, dude. Oh, maybe that Porsche, the blue Porsche with those big chrome wheels and the rubber tires, dude. Oh, that might be cool. Wow, I gotta pull that Porsche out and take a look. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate everyone for being here. I'll see you in the next one.